are looking forward to joining the women golf that is happening every year in a place called Kilifi, and also others are looking forward to joining the international. Also Regina, who is the president for the NCBA Junior Golf in Nairobi, says she believes the young talent that has shown incredible golf can do better in the future.
Came out on top mostly because I worked on my course management this tournament and had way less double bogeys than many of the other tournaments. It was a really fun course to play. The course was in impeccable condition.
The experience was fun. It was a really tough course and I really tried my hardest to navigate through it. Otherwise, it was really fun. Oh, it was really tough. I was behind by one for the last 2 days. I really worked hard for this today.
The second NCBA US Kids Invitational. We had 116 juniors from 10 countries. Very, very successful event. We have looked at the scores from last year and this year. Our juniors are playing phenomenally well. We had 3 juniors who played under over the 3 days, which is the first time this has ever happened. We had Shashwat and Surya and Tino, who have made us really proud for playing under par in this tournament.
Regina Gashora there,